Welcome to the tutorial on installing the green power module in the Kamei ZF1N control panel for 230 volt swing gate motors. For installation you will need a small flat screwdriver for terminals and a star screwdriver. The material to be installed is composed of the green power module, the module fixing bracket, and the connection cables. First, turn off the power to the automation. Unscrew the two fixing screws of the transformer, position the bracket, and fix it using the two screws just removed. Insert the green power module into the bracket. Disconnect the transformer cable from the terminal block. Wire the supplied terminal block to the transformer cable. Connect white to L1T, red to L2T, and black to CT. Insert the transformer cable terminal block into the module. Remove the terminal block from the supplied cable, and wire it to the terminal block of the electronic board. Connect the white to L1T, the red to L2T, and the black to CT. Insert the terminal block of the cable coming from the electronic board into the module, in the position indicated. Using the second cable provided, connect the green power module to the electronic board via the STB terminal block. The automation with green power installed goes into low consumption mode after 3 minutes of inactivity. This state is signaled by a flash of the LED every 5 seconds. For more information, please visit the technical documentation website at docs.kamei.com. We hope we have been helpful, and thank you for choosing Kamei for your automatic gate.